Hello friend, very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Digital Study, your true oil user. I am SN Hawk and today I will discuss the current affairs of 26 May. So friend, before starting this, please subscribe this channel and allow all notifications to get remind of all my videos. And if you need the PDF of this lesson, please join in my Telegram channel. The link of my Telegram channel is given in the description box. So friend, to stay protected yourself and your favorite person, please keep safe distance and wash your hands with sanitizer or soap, or don't touch your face, or cough into your elbows, and most of all stay home and stay safe. So friend, the first question of today: who will chair 74th World Health Assembly? So 74th World Health Assembly will be chaired by Dr. Harshvardhan. Dr. Harshvardhan is the present Health Minister of India. Some information about this: Dr. Harshvardhan, the present Health Minister of India and Chairman of the World Health Organization Executive Board, noted that the board had called for further effort to ensure equitable or fair access of COVID-19 vaccine. The Director General of World Health Organization is Tedros Adhanom. We all know that, and it is founded in 7th April 1948. The headquarters of World Health Organization is Geneva, Switzerland. Very important. So we will go to the second question of the day. Which country's national hockey team has won Etiny Glitchit Award? So Etiny Glitchit Award was won by Indian national hockey team. The Indian national hockey team has been recognized for its collaboration to the development of hockey in the country. The headquarters of International Hockey Federation is Lausanne, Switzerland. Very important. So third question of today: who has been appointed as the CEO of Reserve Bank of India Innovation Hub? So recently, option B, Rajesh Bansal, a very talented person, has appointed as the CEO of Reserve Bank of India Innovation Hub. Earlier, Mr. Bansal served at the RBI in various capacities in the areas of technology, financial inclusion and payment system. Mr. Bansal was a member of the founding team of Aadhaar, very important, where he played a role in designing India's direct benefit payment system through KYC. The headquarters of RBI is Mumbai, Maharashtra, and the present governor of RBI is Shaktikanta Das. Very important. So we'll go to the fourth question. Which country has decided to close its embassy in Kabul, Afghanistan? So recently, Australia has decided to close its embassy in Kabul, Afghanistan. So Australia had opened its embassy in Kabul in 2006. The capital of Australia is Canberra, and the Prime Minister of Australia is Scott Morrison, and the currency of Australia is Australian dollar. So fifth question of the day: recently India signed 3-year work program for agriculture and cooperation with which country? Do you know the answer? The right answer of this question is option B, Israel. So recently India signed a 3-year work program with Israel. India and Israel have had a bilateral relation since 1993 in the agricultural sector. And the present Union Agriculture Minister is Mr. Narendra Singh Tomarji, and present Prime Minister of Israel is Benjamin Netanyahu. We all know that. Sixth question. World Commonwealth Day is observed every year on which date? So World Commonwealth Day is observed every year on 24th May. So option D is the right answer. Some information about this. The Commonwealth of Nations is a political association of 54 member countries, are almost all of which formed territories of the British Empire. So this is formed with those countries which is ruled by British in certain time. The chairman of Commonwealth of Nations is British Emperor himself, that is Elizabeth II in present. The theme for this year is developing a common future. Very important. So we will go to the seventh question of the day. Which internet browser will be retired soon? Do you know the answer? The right answer of this question is Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer is a browser of Microsoft. So Microsoft has informed that the Internet Explorer 11 will be retired for certain versions in Windows 11 in June 2022. The founder of Microsoft is Bill Gates. So we will go to the eighth and last question of the day. Who has got Templeton Prize in 2021? So in 2021, Templeton Prize was won by option A, Jane Goodall. Very important question. Jane Goodall is a famous geologist, and Templeton organization was founded in 1973. Mother Teresa was the first Indian who got Templeton Prize. Very important question. So friend, we will go to those questions which I provided you yesterday. What is the name of the Parliament of Japan? The name of the Parliament of Japan is National Diet. And second question, IMF has allocated how much rupees for global vaccination plan? So IMF has allocated 50 billion US dollar for global vaccination plan. And third question, what is India's rank in EY Renewable Energy Index? So India ranked third in EY Renewable Energy Index. The first country is US and the second country is China. So 3 questions of the day which you will give answer through comment. So let's see who came first. World Turtle Day is observed every year on which date? And second question, what is the name of the Parliament of Iran? And third question, United Nations has released how much amount for helping Gaza? So friend, that's all for today. Please like this video and share this as much as possible. And if you need the PDF of this lesson, please join in my Telegram channel. The link of my Telegram channel is given in the description box. So friend, that's all for today. Stay home and stay safe. Goodbye.